Are you waking up feeling restless or experiencing unusual symptoms at night? Your body might be trying to tell you something important. In this video, we'll uncover the 7 key signs of diabetes that often show up during the night, signals you shouldn't ignore. From frequent trips to the bathroom to unexplained thirst, these symptoms could be the wake-up call you need to take control of your health. Join us as we break down these critical signs in a clear and concise way, helping you understand what they mean and how to respond. Don't let diabetes sneak up on you. Stay informed, stay healthy. Click play now. 1. Frequent urination at night. Frequent urination at night, also known as nocturia, can be an early warning sign of underlying health issues, including diabetes. This condition occurs when blood sugar levels are elevated, prompting the body to eliminate excess glucose through the kidneys. As a result, individuals may experience increased urination, particularly during nighttime hours. For those who find themselves waking up multiple times during the night to urinate, it is important to consider this as a potential symptom of diabetes. Persistent nocturia can disrupt sleep patterns and impact overall quality of life. Experts recommend seeking medical advice if frequent nighttime urination is accompanied by other symptoms such as excessive thirst, unexplained weight loss, or fatigue. Early detection and management of diabetes are crucial in preventing complications and maintaining overall health. If you suspect any signs of abnormal urination patterns, consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and treatment. 2. Nighttime thirst. Experiencing sudden and unquenchable thirst during the night could be more than just a minor inconvenience. It may signal elevated blood sugar levels. This symptom is often linked to the body's response to hyperglycemia, a condition where blood glucose levels are higher than normal. When blood sugar levels rise, the kidneys work harder to filter and expel the excess glucose through urine. This increased urination can lead to dehydration, as the body loses more fluids than usual. As a result, individuals may feel an intense dryness in the mouth and a persistent urge to drink water to compensate for the fluid loss. While occasional thirst at night might not be alarming, frequent occurrences should not be ignored. They could point to underlying health issues such as diabetes or prediabetes. If this symptom is accompanied by others, such as frequent urination, unexplained weight loss, or fatigue, it is advisable to seek medical advice promptly. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels through a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper hydration is essential for overall health. If nighttime thirst becomes a recurring issue, consulting with a healthcare professional can help identify the root cause and determine appropriate interventions. Understanding and addressing these warning signs early can play a crucial role in preventing complications and managing long-term health effectively. 3. Fatigue and lethargy upon waking. Waking up feeling tired and sluggish, even after what should have been a sufficient amount of sleep, is a common issue faced by many individuals. This persistent fatigue can often point to underlying issues related to the body's ability to efficiently process and utilize energy, particularly glucose. When the body struggles to metabolize sugar effectively, it can lead to an energy deficit that manifests as exhaustion. This inefficiency may be more pronounced during nighttime, as the body works to repair and restore itself during sleep. As a result, individuals may wake up feeling drained rather than refreshed. This condition could be linked to several factors, including insulin resistance, poor dietary habits, or even hormonal imbalances. Additionally, stress and inadequate sleep quality, despite sufficient duration, might exacerbate the issue. Experts recommend addressing these symptoms by evaluating lifestyle choices. Maintaining a balanced diet, rich in whole foods and low in processed sugars, can support better energy regulation. Regular physical activity and stress management techniques, such as mindfulness or yoga, may also enhance overall metabolic function. For those experiencing persistent fatigue, consulting a healthcare professional is advised to rule out underlying medical conditions such as diabetes or thyroid disorders. Feeling energized upon waking is essential for maintaining productivity and overall well-being. Identifying and addressing the root causes of morning fatigue can significantly improve quality of life and long-term health. 4. Tingling and itching sensations. Uncontrolled diabetes can manifest through a variety of symptoms, some of which may be subtle but should not be overlooked. Among these, sensations such as itching or tingling in the skin, particularly in the hands and feet, are common indicators of diabetic neuropathy, a condition caused by nerve damage due to prolonged high blood sugar levels. These symptoms often occur more prominently at night, disrupting sleep and overall quality of life. Diabetic neuropathy is one of the most frequent complications of poorly managed diabetes and can progress if left untreated. It not only affects sensory nerves, leading to discomfort, but can also impact motor and autonomic nerves, resulting in more serious health issues over time. If you or someone you know is experiencing persistent tingling, numbness, or itching, it is essential to consult a healthcare professional. Early detection and proper management of blood sugar levels can significantly reduce the risk of complications and improve overall well-being. Remember, recognizing these early warning signs is a crucial step in preventing long-term damage associated with diabetes. 5. Night vision blurriness. Nighttime vision blurriness can be an early warning sign of diabetes, a condition caused by elevated blood sugar levels. High glucose levels in the bloodstream can lead to changes in the fluid balance within the eyes, affecting their ability to focus properly. This can result in blurry vision, especially noticeable in low-light conditions. Diabetes impacts various parts of the body, and the eyes are no exception. The fluctuation in blood sugar levels can cause the lens of the eye to swell, temporarily altering its shape and reducing clarity. If left unmanaged, prolonged high blood sugar levels may lead to more severe complications, such as diabetic retinopathy, which can permanently damage the retina and potentially lead to vision loss. It is important to recognize early symptoms like nighttime blurriness and consult a healthcare professional promptly. Proper blood sugar management through medication, diet, and lifestyle changes can help mitigate these vision-related issues. Regular eye checkups are also essential for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. In conclusion, nighttime blurred vision should not be overlooked, as it may signal underlying health concerns such as diabetes. Early detection and proactive management are key to preserving both overall health and eyesight. 6. Sleep difficulties. Sleep is an essential component of overall health, yet individuals with diabetes often face challenges in maintaining a restful night. Difficulty sleeping or insomnia is a common issue among diabetic patients, stemming from various factors related to the condition. One primary reason for disrupted sleep is elevated blood sugar levels. High blood glucose can cause discomfort and restlessness, making it harder to fall or stay asleep. Additionally, frequent urination, a common symptom of diabetes, interrupts the sleep cycle, as individuals may need to wake up multiple times during the night to use the restroom. This disruption not only affects the quantity of sleep but also its quality. Another contributing factor is excessive thirst, another hallmark symptom of diabetes. The persistent feeling of dehydration can lead to nighttime awakenings, further exacerbating sleep difficulties. Over time, these interruptions can lead to chronic sleep deprivation, which negatively impacts both physical and mental health. Poor sleep quality in diabetic patients can have a ripple effect on their overall well-being. Insufficient rest may worsen blood sugar control, creating a vicious cycle of poor sleep and elevated glucose levels. Furthermore, long-term sleep disturbances are associated with an increased risk of complications such as cardiovascular issues and reduced immune function. Addressing sleep problems in diabetes requires a comprehensive approach. Effective blood sugar management through medication, diet, and exercise can help reduce symptoms that disrupt sleep. Additionally, maintaining good sleep hygiene, such as establishing a regular bedtime routine, avoiding caffeine before bed, and creating a comfortable sleep environment, can improve restfulness. Healthcare professionals emphasize the importance of discussing sleep concerns with medical providers. Proper evaluation and tailored interventions can significantly enhance the quality of life for individuals managing diabetes while promoting better long-term health outcomes. 7. Feeling hungry and craving food. Feeling hungry and craving food, particularly sweets, during the night may be more than just a simple case of late-night snacking. These symptoms could be indicative of an underlying health condition, such as diabetes. Diabetes, a chronic metabolic disorder, occurs when the body either does not produce enough insulin or cannot effectively utilize it. Insulin is a hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. When this process is disrupted, glucose remains in the bloodstream instead of being absorbed by cells for energy. This lack of proper energy utilization can lead to frequent hunger, even after eating. Nighttime cravings for sugary foods are especially concerning. They may be linked to a condition known as nocturnal hypoglycemia, where blood sugar levels drop too low during the night. In response, the body triggers hunger signals, often leading to cravings for quick sources of energy like sweets. If these symptoms persist or are accompanied by other signs such as excessive thirst, frequent urination, unexplained weight loss, or fatigue, it is advisable to seek medical advice. Early diagnosis and management of diabetes are crucial in preventing complications such as cardiovascular disease, nerve damage, and kidney issues. Maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and routine health checkups are essential steps in managing blood sugar levels and overall well-being. If you experience unusual nighttime hunger or cravings, consult a healthcare professional for proper evaluation and guidance. By addressing these symptoms early, individuals can take proactive measures to protect their health and improve their quality of life. Understanding the signs of diabetes during the night is crucial for early detection and better management of your health. By staying informed, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier and more balanced life. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and insights. Together, let's build a healthier community. Thank you for watching.